Hello guys, use my phone Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking, look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all complementation. And protective back cover we have on device made in plastic full body, triple camera on the back side, fingerprint scanner and LED, speaker on the front side, 6.5-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, on right side power key and volume keys, downside micro USB port, speaker, and turn on device, IPS display, HD resolution, open Geekbench 5, Android 9, CPU MediaTek MT6765, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, GPU PowerVR GE8320, resolution display PPI, and look CPU test results. Okay, open Antutu benchmark results, look. Okay, Antutu benchmark results. Close this and start GTA San Andreas demanded game in high graphic resolution. Start game, and game works very good on maximum graphic level. Smooth, good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now talk about camera. We have triple camera, 16+2+2 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.